Hey, I'm recording the video for my final project here for cloud computing. As you can see, I've got 0 users in my auth O, and I've got only just little token placeholder items in my ships data store and my cargo data store. Oh, wait, no, I still have some ships left over. Sorry, 1 second. Delete. Okay, so nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, I'm just going to work through my tests here to demonstrate the functionality. And I'm also going to be drawing here to keep track of stuff on the rubric. So first what we can do is we can create a new user. This is going to my create route, ships create. This is the format, username, password. I can send that. And I receive a success message, 201 created. Cross that off. Now, what I do next, I go to login. Login, I use a username, and I use a password, sending that to ship/login. That's my login route. I send that. I get a 200 OK. And I also get an access token and an ID token. So I'm going to take that ID token, copy it. This is kind of inefficient, I know, but Control V it there, and now I'm posting to ships. When I post to ships, I get an ID. Now I'm going to post a few more. And also 200 OK. One more time. Send that. Okay. Now I'm going to get some ships. So what I'm going to do is use the access token that I just got from this and use it with the get request to ships. What I get is test user 1. We see it here, test user 1, self, self-links. So 3 self-links, test user 1, test user 1, test user 1. So it got the owner. Now let me just go here. So what I've done right now is I've established that first of all, there is a base entity for ships. All entities have a self-link. We'll do that for ships. All units, base URL, that's here. So we'll do one for ships. 3 properties, yes. And it supports read operations. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to create also JWTs are used for authentication, as you can see, and this is true as well. So, and a method is supported, and users can create new accounts. So what I'm going to do next is create a new user, user 2. So, and also we can go to users and see that I have successfully created a user. I have successfully created some ships. Okay, so next we're going to create user 2. This is test user 2. We're going to send that. This account created successfully. And we're next going to go to login. Same login here, same deal. Login 2. Log them in. Okay, got a new token. So let's copy paste that. We'll create some new ships with it. So here we go. Create 1, create 2, create 3, create 4, create 5, and create 6. Okay. Now, what I want to do real quick is edit the ship. Okay, so we're going to go to the new ship that I made for the second guy, copy it, put it here, and we're going to use the same auth token. We're going to send it. 500 internal server. Huh, okay, that's weird. That was working 2 seconds ago. Maybe I'll come back to that. But let's just get the ships for now. So we see that, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me make sure, yeah. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go for test user 2. Test user 2, right now we're only seeing his stuff. We're using the auth token for test user 2. And we can only see the stuff that test user 2 put in. We can't see anything that test user 1 put in. So test user 1 is kind of in his own thing. So as you can see, that's items in the access database are appropriate limited by owner. Next, we are going to add some cargo. So, don't need a auth token for this. This is not authenticated. It's not linked. We're just adding 6. As you can see, these have more than 3. These entities have more than 3 extra fields. So we're just adding cargo. Adding cargo. These are all 200 OKs. Okay, so now we're going to try. We'll take this ID, and first we'll just get all the cargo. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next link works correctly paginated 5 with correctly paginated with 5. So what I'm going to do next, and I'll just show you in the data store that these have all been added successfully. So what I'm going to do next is go to edit a cargo. So this was the cargo that I just got, cargo 1, testing cargo 1. We're going to change it to edited. Got a 204 no content, which is here. And we're going to go back, and we're going to go to get all the cargo again, and we can see that testing cargo 1 was edited correctly. So next we're going to put cargo in the ship. Okay, so we're going to go to, we'll take new ship 1 right here, and we're going to say put the cargo in the ship right there, and then I'll take cargo 1 here, and we'll put this in the ship 2. And then the auth token we'll use is the second guy's auth token. So we'll send that. Oh, might not have done that correctly. Make sure I got the right ship. Let's do like ship 2. That's weird. This is working like 15 seconds ago, unfortunately. I'm not sure why that's not working. Okay. Well, unfortunately that was working for me just a little bit ago, but is no longer working. God, that kills me. Alright, well, maybe I can send proof in after that, but I don't think I really can, unfortunately. Oh, I know what it is. Yeah, so hopefully, if you look at my code in my week 4, I did this correctly, and I think I accidentally messed up the entire freaking ship thing. So I don't think these are going to work. But you can at least see that my 403 forbidden is somewhat working. And then if we were to go to this ship, what it should show is the cargo, which is not working, but you can see that I can get at least one ship. And then going to delete, we should still be able to delete. We're going to use this auth token to delete. We'll just use this ship. Sends a 200 OK. What should I get the ship again? Oh, I'm sorry, I deleted one of the cargoes in the ship, I think. $204 no content, so that was deleted correctly. That was deleted correctly. And then we're going to do one of these, delete one of the cargoes in the ship. So again, don't need an auth token. We can just choose this one, testing cargo 2. Choose that, delete one of these, send 200. So now if I say get the cargo, or get the one ship again, not there. And the cargo is deleted as well. That was testing cargo 2. We can see that is deleted. See, no more testing cargo 2. And then finally, I'm running over my time. Try to edit someone else's ship. Like this would not work. Well, I can't prove that anymore because my thing is messed up. I can get all users. Now this is just to show that I can get all users, just with an auth token. If I want to edit a user, and I just provide the right one, then that'll work. We'll do test user 2. Oops, okay, well there's a 401 unauthorized. And if we go here, copy that auth token correctly, send, oh, and I have to get the user, forgot about the user, create a new user too. Yes, I'm sorry, we have to go here, and then get this guy's ID, edit user, boom, and he's been successfully edited. And that was with that, and we already saw the 401. Now if I just do a random one, that's a 404. User does not exist. If I try to edit the wrong user, if I went to this one, or sorry, if I went to do user 1 right here, you would get a 403 error. 403 forbidden. And then finally we've done 404 not found, and again 415 if we're not sending JSON data, HTML. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I went a little bit over, sorry, and that's it.